In this video, I'm going to show you how to dehaze in Lightroom Mobile in just a few simple steps. If your photo looks foggy, washed out, or lacks contrast, the Dehaze tool is a quick way to bring back detail, deepen the tones, and make the image look much clearer. This is especially useful for landscape photos, portraits shot in misty light, or any image that needs a little extra punch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom Mobile tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and choose the photo you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, tap on Edits at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your adjustment tools are located. After that, scroll through the editing options and open the Effects panel. Inside the Effects section, you'll find the Dehaze slider. This is the tool we're going to use to remove haze and improve clarity. Now move the Dehaze slider to the right to increase the effect. As you push it up, Lightroom will start cutting through the haze, adding contrast and making details stand out more clearly. You'll usually notice the sky becoming richer, shadows looking deeper, and the whole image feeling more defined. The key here is to use it lightly. A small amount can make a big difference, but if you push Dehaze too far, your photo can start to look harsh, overly dark, or noisy. That's why it's always best to make subtle adjustments and check the result as you go. If needed, zoom in on your image and compare before and after so you can see exactly how much improvement you're getting. For some photos, just a slight boost is enough to remove that foggy look and restore natural contrast. For others, you may need a little more, but always keep the image looking realistic. Once you're happy with the result, you can save or export your edited photo. And that's it. You now know how to dehaze in Lightroom Mobile using the Effects panel and the Dehaze slider. It's a fast and simple way to make your photos look cleaner, sharper, and more professional. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lightroom Mobile editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.